Hey sweethearts, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So today's video is going to be an extreme bathrooms cleaning motivation. So in this video I'm going to be cleaning my two bathrooms. As you guys already know, or if you don't know, I have two bathrooms in this house and I'm going to be tackling the both of them in this video. So I hope you stay tuned, grab your cup of coffee and relax and enjoy this video. Alright guys, so before we get started, I just want to quickly show you guys what my bathrooms looks like at the moment. I know it's not really that dirty or probably doesn't need any cleaning at all, but this is a weekend cleaning, so I have to give my bathrooms a TLC, you know. So if you don't already know, this video is in collaboration with my YouTube friend. Her channel name is Danielle and Daniel. Guys, I want you to please go and check her out. After watching this video, head straight to her channel and show her some love. Tell her that I sent you. And if you're coming from her channel, hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica and I'm a stay-at-home working mom, because YouTube is a work. Yeah, so I'm a stay-at-home working mom of 3 beautiful kids. So I hope you enjoy my video and I hope this video gives you a tone of motivation. So here are my cleaning products. I have my Fabulous for the floors, I have my WC net for the toilets, and I have my glasses for the glasses, and basically it's a multi-purpose cleaner. I have my brushes as well. I have my microfiber cloths and my gloves. So in 1, 2, 3, let's get started. Alright, the first thing I like to do is to take off the foot mats, take everything that is on the floor. I just take them away, just get them out of my way, because I like to have enough space when I'm walking. So I just take everything, put the things that needs to be put away, and the things sitting on the mirror, I'll just put them inside the cupboard. Whenever we are done getting dressed, I tend to leave some stuffs on top there, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, this is real life. We cannot be putting them away all the time. So once I get everything cleared off, oh, that's my shoe, I'm just cleaning it and I'm going to be putting it away. I came back with it and I just left it on the floor there so it can receive some fresh air, you know, before I put it inside the cupboard. Alright, so I'm going to do the same exact step with the second bathroom. I'm going to be putting the towels inside the washing machine because they need to be washed. Now I'm going to be cleaning my mirrors with these glasses. Guys, this product works so well. I recently purchased it and like I am so amazed how well it works. So to clean my glasses or my mirrors, I'm going to be using tissue paper, and of course I'm putting on my gloves. Now the reason I'm using the tissue paper is because it works so well for me. Like if there's any other thing that works for you, maybe like microfiber cloths or whatever, just use it, okay? But this is what works for me. It leaves the mirror very clean and, you know, sparkling. Yeah, this microfiber cloth, I think that's what it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong. It leaves some stuff on that mirror after cleaning it, so I stopped using it and I found out that the tissue paper is working so well for me. So I applied, or I poured in the WC net inside the toilet, and I'm letting it sit so it can do its work. Just leave it there maybe for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I went ahead to clean other parts of the toilet. So here, as you can see, I'm using a toothbrush. And mind you, this is not the toothbrush we used to brush our teeth. This is just an old toothbrush that we no longer use. And guys, this toothbrush trick is just amazing. Okay, if you haven't tried this toothbrush method, like, try to use it. It just works wonders. Use it to clean all those junks and gunks I don't know how to pronounce it, that is sitting just under that tap. Just use it to scrub it really well, and you will see your sink shining so clean. Yeah. Now for the bathtub mats, I'm going to be using the Fabuloso to wash them thoroughly. I found out that the Fabuloso really does an amazing job there. And I'm using my handy dandy brush. This brush is also amazing. This brush is wonderful. It got all the mucus there. It just got rid of them, and the mats were shining and they were looking so clean. Now moving over to the second bathroom, I'm going to be doing the same thing I did with the first one. Just basically the same thing, nothing changes. it's time to sweep and mop. Okay, so in case if you are wondering why this color of Fabuloso, it is basically the same thing with the other one. It's just that that one is almost finished, so I had to bring a new one. It's just both of them are the same thing, it's just color different. Alright, we are done, but we have more left. It's just to put back everything that I put away before, just placing them where they are supposed to be. I'm also going to be placing new towels. Voila! We are all done. My two bathrooms look so clean, so fresh, and so welcoming, guys. Everywhere smells so good. Like when I took my shower this night, it was awesome. I felt so relaxed, so, oh my goodness, I don't know how to say it, guys. You need to enter your bathroom now and get it cleaned up, okay? I hope this video gave you a lot of motivation to get any part of your house cleaned up. Guys, please don't forget to go over to Daniela and Daniel's channel to check her out, okay? And don't forget to tell her that I sent you. I will be so glad to see you guys over there, because I'm heading over to her channel to see how she cleaned her own bathroom. Yeah, I need to go and see her own cleaning video as well. I love cleaning videos and I love cleaning, like I don't know how to say it, guys. I love cleaning videos so much. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you loved this video or you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video as well, okay? This video can be of a great help to somebody, so make sure you share this video. Share it, okay? Share the love and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, it's very important. And give me that thumbs up, I need it, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.